Go down. Yes. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. One more. Easy. Easy. Perfect.
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. ASMR chiropractic adjustment are essentially different chiropractic techniques that attempt to relieve the stress of patients. This video consists of several treatments including cranial sacral therapy and myofascial release, which is often referred to the hands-on spinal manipulation techniques used in this video are known as chiropractic adjustment.
On both sides, never noticed right away. But
Because yes, but light is a little short, just a little short. Your nails is really big.
I just got back from a trip, 2 months long.
Yeah.
Northern trip.
On your tummy, please. On your tummy, ma'am. Flip yourself. That's all right. Just bend it. Just bend it. Bend. Let me bend. Let me. Right is short. Right is creating a more problem, I think. The right leg is short. This feel tight. This is yes. This is tight. Right. Now put your face down there. Easy. That's all right. Yes. Loosen up. Easy. Easy. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe out.
Okay.
This way. Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't do anything. Just stay there, please. Breathe in. Breathe out. 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 Breathe in. Breathe out. Perfect. Right here. Just keep it there. Keep it there. Just keep it there. Breathe in. Breathe out. Soon you can. Now loosen up your body. Breathe in again. Breathe out. Perfect. Right. Now on your tummy, on your back, please. Sit down. Put your hands down.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry.
Oh.
You're piercing.
Oh shit, oh
Alright.
shit.
It's okay. It's okay. You get it done on rested only.
Yeah.
That's alright. Now loosen up your tummy. I'll take care. I'll take care. That's okay. I'll take it. Easy. Just down. Easy. Easy. Yes. Down.
Oh my god.
That was the block actually.
Wow. I never knew the body is capable of making those sounds.
Come down. Slide down. Just come down. Now we are going to open the shoulder blade. Does give you more stability when you do bhujangasana or when you do handstand, right? Easy. Easy. Loosen up. Loosen up. Loosen up. Okay. That's very good. Easy. Easy. Perfect. Get back a little bit. Just that's right. Now loosen up your body. Take a breathe in, breathe out. Go down, go down, go down. Yes. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe out. Perfect. Alright, come down there, please. Well, that's increase the expansion of the thoracic.
Yeah.
Right, so you should it help you to increase the arch. When you go back, it help in creating arch, right? Now you need to sit here, legs straight, bend your both knees, breathe in. छोड़ते हुए lie down, breathe out. Very good. Close them up and lie down. Just lie down. Just lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Lie down. Yes. Open up. Loosen up your body. Take a breathe in. Breathe out. One more. Get back. Out. Perfect. Lie down, please. Easy, easy, easy. This way. Easy. Perfect. This side. Yes. Perfect. Easy. Perfect. Make it straight. Now bend your both knees. Yeah. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there. Now you need to close them up inside. Close. One more. Close. Yes. Bend them, please. Easy, 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 easy. Just loosen up.
Just a second.
Oh, the piercing again.
Yeah, I'm a bit
All right,
worried about
all
this.
right, all right. Just take it. I'll manage it. 60 degree there. Bend it, bend it. This is fine for you.
Yeah.
Breathe in. Out, out, out. Yes. All right. Make it straight. Keep it there. Yes. This one. Open, open, open. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Now we'll open your both hip, right? Just keep your knees right here on my shoulder, and you just loosen up your body. Loosen up, please. Yes. This other side, we'll open both hip. थोड़ा सा और side में. Yes. For the edge, yes. Loosen up, करें please. That's all right. Perfect. Down. Come this way. Turn this side. Over the edge. Bend it right here. Hold your hand like this. Yes. Keep it there. Very good. Loosen up your body. Just hold it down properly. Yes. Down, down. Take a breathe in. Breathe out. This way. Easy, easy, easy. Loosen up, please. Lower half करेंगे. That's one night. Perfect. Sit down, please. Hang your leg down. Easy. Right here. This one. Right here. Perfect. Now hold your hand here. पीछे की तरफ से. Close them up. Up, up, up. Get back, get back, get back. Take a breathe in. Out, out. Yes. Close your eyes. Easy. That's very good. Down, 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 down. It's all right for you? Piercing is creating a problem. Let me handle it. It's okay now?
This is fine.
Easy. Perfect. Your elbow. You have hypohidrosis as well. You got more sweating in the palm.
Yeah.
Yes. So you tend to feel more. Your palms are more colder than other side of the body
Yes.
because of
In
the.
fact, the feet is
That is hypohidrosis.
There's a solution to it.
It's not a
I
problem.
really struggle with In winters, I really
Yeah,
do.
yeah. Easy, easy, easy. Perfect. This side. Easy, easy. Yes. Perfect. All right. When you walk, try to walk. You feel easier, better,
Yeah,
more lighter.
everything has opened up so much.
Right. Just one thing is remaining, your collar. I'll fix your collarbone. This is little up and down. Lie down. This is little down. This is little up. Take a breathe in. Breathe out. Yes. That's very good. Well, I could check your navel as well since you got a piercing done. So I rather not to touch it because it's already tender. I would check your navel as well. So we'll not do that. It become more tender. So better leave it like that. Probably maybe 10-15 days, maybe after a month, we will check your navel as well. Yeah, ma'am. Sit well, please. Ma'am, how's your experience with it? How do you feel about this chiropractic?
This is my first session, and it has been amazing because I never knew that body could be moved and could be
Very
cracked in so many ways. So I think I had a brilliant experience, and I would want to visit again.
All right. Would you like to recommend me to your friends, colleagues?
I already have, in fact, even before coming here, and it has been, it has surpassed my expectations, and it's really nice. I would definitely recommend, yeah.
Right, right. So you don't have any problem, right? So if you don't have any problem, still you can get it done, right? For increase the blood flow, prevent the injury, for more productivity, more stability, and of course give you more better life, right? So don't think about it. If you are getting any problem, then you need to get a chiropractic done. It's not necessary. Even then you don't have any problem, you can get it done, right? The way she did it. She don't have any problem, but still she is more concerned about her health. So she is getting chiropractic done, right? So thank you so much. You can get it done anytime. You just call on our number on the Peel Film Clinic, right? Thank you.
If you like chiropractic video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.